That's a shelf cloud, and it's moving into West Little Rock. So what happens is that passes over your head. It's very ominous if you look at it, and I don't encourage you to go out there and look at it. But it's very ominous when you look at one of these. They look pretty scary. But it's called a shelf cloud. And there it is, plain as day, coming right into the Little Rock metro area with winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. So that shelf cloud behind it, that's right behind it, I mean immediately behind it, you're going to get winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour, and you're going to get heavy, heavy, heavy rain. Let me see if I can move this over just a little bit. I've got these cameras opened up here in the Weather Center, and I am by myself, so I'm having to do fix and manipulate everything here to cover this for you. And there it is, the leading edge of that, a very good view of that. Now, no, tornadoes do not form on the gust front. That's not where tornadoes form. But this is rolling right into the Little Rock. This is a severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect until 5:30 for another 9 minutes. But let's just stay on this shot right now, and Wade, let's just stay on this, and we're going to watch this roll into the Little Rock area. You don't see these. You see pictures of these. You just don't see them live like this all the time. So you're watching this live right now. And forgive me, I got to drink a little bit of coffee here. But this is the leading edge of the storm, and you're looking at that with the shelf cloud with this. See that? And right behind it, and right underneath it, in this area, you have heavy rain, and that's where all the wind is. So the widespread, 1 mile wide swath of winds that could be around 60 to 70 miles per hour, moving right into. Okay, just bear with me for 1 second. I got some information that I want to bring up. I'm going to try to do this. Bring up the Hot Springs camera here. And there's Hot Springs. You see a lot of lightning. But again, Hot Springs, you're not under a severe thunderstorm warning right now. Let's go to the Big Rock Interchange. Look at the wind. This is what I'm talking about. Now we're underneath that shelf cloud. And look how you see the bands of rain moving from the west to the east. So right across the Big Rock Interchange. So that's the southern extent of the high wind field going right over the Big Rock Interchange. So we're looking at it from downtown Little Rock, but boy, Big Rock, look at the wind. Not good to be on the road. Again, it's obviously something to see, but these are very typical events that we get in June. But a lot of you waking up right now to high winds, thunder, and lightning, and that's the leading edge of it going across the Big Rock Interchange. So let me show you a different vantage point. And that's about 10 miles to the east, downtown Little Rock, looking back at the Big Rock Interchange, which is right back in here. So the Big Rock Interchange is back in there, and let's go back live to the Big Rock, and you see what's going on underneath. Like I said, that you'll have that shelf cloud coming at you, then right behind it, high winds as the air is rushing down and out. And those are straight line winds, and they're all moving in the same direction. And that's what we're looking at right now down in West Little Rock, moving towards downtown Little Rock. So this is going to be moving through Leawood. This is going to be moving through Sturbridge. This is going to be moving through Colony West. Pleasant Valley, it's already there. It's going to be moving through Camac Village, some very high winds. Burns Park area, North Little Rock, Sherwood, Jacksonville, all the way up, you're going to get these winds that could approach 60 to 70 miles per hour. It looks like the winds have calmed down a little bit. You don't see the trees moving quite as much, but you see those sheets of rain moving across the highway. And this is another look, and the shelf cloud now, and again, this is moving at such a very high rate. The shelf cloud, and I don't know if I can tilt the camera up much more. That's as high as it goes. The shelf cloud that I've been tracking here is now way up here because it's getting ready to go over downtown Little Rock. So a lot of people will look at that and say, they'll look at that and say that, wow, that is a wall cloud and a tornado could come out of that. No, that's not a wall cloud. These are on the leading edges of thunderstorms. A wall cloud would be on a different side of a thunderstorm, but it does show this shelf cloud quite well coming right across downtown Little Rock. So we don't have a great